Hi, and welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm super excited because I am announcing my very first giveaway. And what I'm going to be giving away is the Janet Collection Afro Perm Drawstring Ponytail that I featured in my latest video. So if you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend that you take a look at it just so you know what you could potentially win. And here's what you need to do in order to enter into the giveaway. First, you have to subscribe to my channel. Super simple. And then second, you got to head over to our Instagram page and you have to tag at least 3 friends on the Instagram giveaway post. The giveaway starts on March the 13th and it will end on March the 27th. We will announce a winner within a week after March the 27th. Super simple, super easy, and you could possibly win a fabulous drawstring ponytail. Oh, you're wondering about this one? Well, that one's gonna come in another video sometime soon. But yeah, she's pretty fabulous too. Oh, and did I mention we'll be doing a giveaway for this one at a later date? Yeah, so here's just a little quick look at her. But back to right now, we're focused on this fabulous drawstring ponytail. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe, and then tag 3 friends. And every time you tag 3 friends on the Instagram post, that qualifies you for another entry. So get to tagging and make sure you subscribe and watch the video. All right, thanks for watching.